Hey, how you doing, everybody? This is John. I'm going to do another quick video. So it's going to be for my kitchen project. I'm doing an unboxing. I just purchased a paper towel holder from Niffgaff. Okay. I decided that instead of having one on the table, I was going to have one over there by the kitchen sink. But instead of having one on the countertop, I'm just going to put a paper towel holder underneath the cabinet. So I went online, did some looking around, and I found the perfect one right over here by Niffgaff. Okay, so it's going to be black in color. So I ordered it and I got this package. So in the package, I opened it up, the box that it came in, and this is the paper towel holder that they sent me, which was pretty good. So instead of putting it against the wall, I am going to lay it right underneath the cabinet. It's actually a pretty good quality, okay, and black in color, all right, and then along in with the paper towel holder, they give you the instructions, okay, when to install it with screws, okay, and also you can also install it with a self-adhesive, okay, so I believe when I did open it up, I wasn't able to find the adhesive with it. Okay. Aha. Apparently they did. Okay. So they give you this. That's going to be the adhesive for it as well. Sorry, I should have taken that out of the box as well. And then they give you the manual. You can see it installed with the self-adhesive. Also, when you need to take the adhesive off, or if you want to install it with screws. I personally would install it with screws, more durable. You don't have to worry about if I'm going to put a new cabinet and this thing being metal, it comes off with the adhesive and slams right on the countertop and damages the countertop that I spent a lot of money installing and having it cut. So I'm going to go ahead by screwing it in. They also, besides giving you the manual, they give you a package of screws, and they give you the plastic parts just in case that you want to put it right against the wall. I'm not going to do that, so I'm just going to leave that alone. Just use the screws. So if you are going to get a screws, you're going to want to make sure that you got the screwdriver right over there. So you're going to be able to use it. Although I recommend that you use a drill. Okay, so you have that part. There's not really much tools that you need other than the screwdriver, maybe, or if you need the drill. Okay, so that's pretty much basically about it, really. I'm very happy with it. This is the perfect thing that I want. It wasn't really that expensive. It was only about, I would say, $8, just a couple dollars for tax. And then I had purchased it, not from Amazon. Believe it or not, I bought it from Walmart. I don't buy too many stuff from Walmart, but this was the perfect one that I was looking for. Simple and the same, and it was black in color. So there we go. It's going to be the unboxing of the Niffgaff paper towel holder. Pretty simple and straightforward. Hey, thanks a lot for checking out this quick video. I really appreciate it. Be sure to check out more of my videos on my YouTube channel and playlist. Also, be sure to check out the after the thing's been installed, see what it looks like. And then also for my kitchen project as well. You guys have a great day. I'll see you later. Bye.